Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW channel. Today we've got a quick video just showing you how I've set up a little charging station in the interior of my car. This is something that you will do. It's just a nice easy little kit from Amazon, about 30 quid total. So yeah, let's get into it. So here it is. It's just set next to my passenger seat. I'll just get my torch out. And basically all it is, it's a cigarette lighter fast charging station. So it plugs into here, runs around here, and as you can see, we've got a dash cam running into it, which is threaded all through the interior, and it also, as you can see, I've got a USB charging torch here. That charges there. Also does fast charging for mobile phones as well, which is ideal. And yeah, it's just a really quick, easy little thing, useful for sort of your everyday life, really. And you don't really compromise on your cigarette lighter slots because you've still got one in here, as you can see. So yeah, that along with this allows a pretty foolproof setup for your mobile phone, etc. Also we've got Bluetooth and everything included here. I've also got my aux cable. So yeah, it's just a quick little interior mod done, just to really help out with charging. You can charge as you can see, there's 5 USB slots there. They're all fast charging slots. So yeah, it makes it ideal if you've got a bit of tech that you need to do, phones, tablets, etc. So yeah, that's just a quick video. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on the channel. We're getting to a nice little milestone on the channel now of subscribers, so it'd be really great if we could get there sooner rather than later. Also got a Patreon link going up, so if you'd like to support the channel, feel free to do so, and we'd appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.